This is BB Ventures Art. I'm here to train us on a simple design for this Christmas season. I'm going to use my printed paper to make the fascinator. I have my crinoline to design it, and I'm going to use binding wire, and the size of my wire is 26 in length. Then I have my wax candle gum, and I have my Alice band and small rows I'm going to use to design it. What you will do is that you cut your wire. The size of my wire, as I've said, is 26. You join the edge together with your sellotape. With the sellotape, you can see it. The next thing is now I'm going to give this wire that have formed a circle a shape. To give your binding wire a shape, just press it. You hold the edge, depends on where you want to create the shape. I want to create a leaf shape or love shape, whatever you call it. Look at it. What I did is I bend it inside from the head. Now give you this shape. You can see the shape. Then I'm going to make another small size. This is small size, and the length of this is 20. Now I have my printed paper mat, a yard. We are not going to finish the yard paper mat to make the design unless you want to use the remaining one to design, if you are not using crinoline. And what you will do now is that you place the first wire, that is size 26. You place it on your printed paper mat. Then you take your ugum, put your ugum around the wire. You trace it out. As you put the ugum, you use your scissors to trace it out. Then the next thing for you is to gum. Then the wire is on it already. Then you gum with your hand. Make sure just fold the printed mat inside. Trim it well. You can see I've gummed it front and back. Then I'm going to make the second one. This is the second one. I'm going to make this with the same printed paper mat. This is the small one. Now, the next thing to do, look at it. You can bend it. You can bend this one again. Make it curve as a design. Then you can place this one on it like this. You can make it straight. You can make it straight like this, the two to be straight. Then you join it at edge here. You can see. Then here you join it. Take your ugum. You join the two together at the like this. Join the two together. Then take your crinoline. That is a bow. Then form the bow again. Fold your crinoline into two. Then fold it again to create a bow. another one. Then create another bow. You can cut your cream linen. You can use your ruche to block it, or you can use your cream linen to create another design on it. Fold it into two. Fold it like this, then do like this. Bring the hands together. Join it. Just simple like this. Then place it on this and join it together. Now the next thing for us is to tack the design on it. See, look at the design. Then this back, you get your bias and use it to cover the nakedness of the wire. Then take your Alice band and place it at the middle and gum it with your wax candle gum. Look at it, beautiful. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.